Imagine you wake up one morning with a burning fever. Every muscle in your body aches, your head feels heavy, and even opening your eyes takes effort. Today, you'd reach for medicine or call a doctor without thinking twice. But 100,000 years ago, there were no hospitals, no pharmacies, and no one who understood what a virus or bacteria was. Back then, getting sick wasn't just uncomfortable. It could mean the difference between life and death. Your greatest enemy wasn't always a hungry lion or a sharp spear. Sometimes it was something far too small to see. A healthy hunter could walk for miles, track animals, and help feed the tribe. But a sick hunter might not even have the strength to stand. And if you couldn't hunt, you couldn't eat. Suddenly, your survival depended entirely on the people around you. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. Archaeologists have discovered ancient skeletons with injuries so severe that those people could never have survived on their own. Broken bones healed, serious wounds recovered. Someone must have protected them, shared food with them, and refused to leave them behind. Which raises an incredible question. If there were no doctors, no medicine, and no hospitals, how did ancient humans survive?
The answer begins with nature. Long before hospitals or pharmacies existed, the earth itself became humanity's first medicine cabinet. For countless generations, ancient humans observed the world around them, slowly discovering which leaves soothed pain, which roots reduced swelling, and which berries could heal or kill. Every lesson was earned through experience, and every successful remedy became knowledge passed from one generation to the next. But plants alone couldn't save everyone. Sometimes the greatest medicine wasn't found in the forest at all. Unlike a hungry predator, disease gave no warning. You couldn't see it, hear it, or fight it with a spear. Every sip of water from a river, every bite of raw food, and every small cut on your skin carried a hidden risk. What seemed like a harmless scratch could slowly become infected, turning an ordinary day into a desperate fight for survival. Yet your body wasn't completely defenseless. Long before humans understood medicine, your immune system had already become one of nature's greatest survival tools, working silently to battle invisible threats every single day. Over thousands of generations, those with that discovery wasn't a miracle drug or a magical cure. It was something far more powerful: knowledge. Over countless generations, ancient humans carefully observed nature, remembering which plants eased pain, which roots helped stop bleeding, and which herbs seemed to help the sick recover. Parents passed this knowledge to their children, and elders became the keepers of wisdom that could mean the difference between life and death. Those simple lessons slowly became humanity's first form of medicine, laying the foundation for the healing traditions that would one day spread across the ancient world. Thousands of years later, those traditions evolved into doctors, hospitals, and the medicines we depend on today. But if you had lived 100,000 years ago, none of that would have existed. Your greatest hope wasn't a cure hidden in a bottle. It was the people standing beside you. Your family, your friends, your tribe. They kept you warm, shared their food, protected you from danger, and gave your body the time it needed to fight back. In many ways, compassion became
mày mày